This is the largest and most powerful bulldozer in the world, the Caterpillar D11T bulldozer. A true behemoth commonly found in large-scale construction projects, this colossal beast is crafted by Caterpillar specifically for earth-moving tasks. With a staggering total weight of 104.5 tons, approximately 210,000 pounds, and dimensions measuring 20 feet in length, 15 feet in width, and 16 feet in height, this mechanical giant dominates the construction landscape. What's truly astonishing is the sheer size of its front blade, stretching 19 feet in width and reaching a towering 9 feet in height. With just one scoop, it can effortlessly shift 350 square feet of earth. The weight of the bulldozer blade alone is a jaw-dropping 34,000 pounds, capable of pushing a massive 230,000 pounds of material.